Computer, what causes the hiccups?
According to Mayo Clinic, hiccups that last less than a couple days are often caused by carbonated beverages or too much alcohol. Eating too much or swallowing air when chewing gum or sucking on candy can cause hiccups too. Other triggers are excitement or emotional stress and sudden temperature changes. Hiccups that last longer may be caused by damage to nerves that serve the muscles separating your chest from your belly or damage to your central nervous system. Some drugs, like steroids, and conditions like diabetes can cause longer-term hiccups too.